Kumbaya, my Lord, kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Lord, kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Lord, kumbaya. Oh Lord, kumbaya. Somebody write to the lady workplace, oh Lord, kumbaya. Somebody write to the lady workplace, my Lord, kumbaya. Somebody write to the lady workplace, my Lord, kumbaya. Oh Lord, kumbaya. The tea lady say, I know she do it, my Lord, kumbaya. The tea lady say, I know she do it, my Lord, kumbaya. The tea lady say, I know she do it, my Lord, kumbaya. Oh Lord, kumbaya. Foreign woman want to know who do it, my Lord, kumbaya. Foreign woman want to know who do it, my Lord, kumbaya. Foreign woman want to know who do it, my Lord, kumbaya. Oh Lord, kumbaya. Yes, wanna make foreign woman go to studio again. Yes, because, foreign woman lives there. She thinks the tea lady involved in the letter writing saga. But me never did mean say she write the letter to the workplace. Me mean say she probably write one letter saying go give the HR manager, Marcia. Cause anybody can put one letter together and get one little logo and make it look real. Because a few people come over here and put some comments down. So, and I respond, me no want to respond to no comments, but me was busy and then me thought, me just leave it sometime. Me thought me just leave it. And when people say, come, me no want to look like me taking no sides and this thing, So, no. What I don't understand, because me hear some other little things where, it look like say no, them draw Marcia in at the casa, yeah. So then draw Marcia in at the casa no. Marcia says she resigned. She resigned from Selfridges. Then the woman said she was suspended and she went back to work because then said everything was all right and look on her record and look through everything. And she said that she was investigated and looked through everything. Then she said she not a homophobic and all these things. So no, the bit that I don't understand, because as I say, all the people them that come over here yesterday, because for my life to recap on our comments, and all the people them that come over here, more or less, some people are saying that the man need, if we take it further, because she's been out of order and she cried wolf. Yeah, somebody mentioned that she cried wolf. Yeah. And it looked like say it backfire upon her. No, yeah, so we see it say it backfire upon her if she cried wolf. But none of it make no sense. Yes, we feel say, yeah, it's a game plan set up thing. So some people say she should lose her job. I don't think it should go that far, so she should lose her job, but something, she should get some kind of warning or something for her behavior. And so fireman go put it, if she's lying on the company. But from what I can see, if she's working for a security company, I don't think she's employed by Selfridges. It don't work like that. She's probably employed by a security company and she go around to the different stores. Maybe Selfridges, she decided Selfridges let her go so she can't work there. So I don't know. But here Marcia was saying something about Chris would have to sign the letter and all kind of thing, and that is a load of rubbish, because his name could be in the letter. He don't have to sign anything. I could write to that person and say what I see on social media, mention the person's name and whatever. I wouldn't have to sign no letter. Anyway, Me not talk on this long. Me just want to just touch base just to say. These people, yeah. We used to call them, I don't like to call people dunce, but me have to go say, if it's a game plan and then plan up and cook up this a story, yeah. Yeah, me don't know where to put Sophie in the class, if me for put her at the front or the back of the class, because of what we used to call them, pretty dunce, yeah. When Pitney pretty and then dunce, because they say them pretty, you know, so you might be pretty, but you don't. And that me I go say. Anyway, let's move on now. Me going on to the saga, the Friday night flat fight, the true flicks, yeah, with Michelle Ladana and Lady V. Lady V. I didn't watch some of Lady V live, to be honest, and I didn't watch it live. I watched it the day after, and she was basically trying to say that people must stop bring kids in and then passa. She never did say anything wrong. I didn't see where she said anything wrong. So no, Michelle pick it up, and look like, me don't know if Michelle pick it up right, if she listen to all of it, I don't know. But Michelle now come out and was talking about that individual pass, yeah, and she feels that Lady V was supporting the individual. Me don't want to go in nobody past future, or the medical record or any kind of record. Because I don't go around and look around for people record. That don't interest me at all. Yeah, me just have said that. I didn't see Lady V was supporting me. She made it clear to say she's not supporting the man. She's talking about the child. Yes, and then I can see where she's coming from. Because when people bring kids into them cuss and them casa, I don't like it, and it's not acceptable. Yeah. And so she was defending the child, and let's be fair, she was defending the child. She wasn't defending the man. And at the end of the day, whether the person have a pass or not, there's a child involved, and it's his blood, yeah, in granddaughter. So, at the end of the day, it's only a 4-year-old. A 4-year-old is innocent in all this, and I think that's what Lady V was trying to put across. But I don't know, as I say, Michelle see a different side to it, and she come out and talking up about the past and all them past and so forth. So I think sometimes we need to, listen, and I think sometimes we need to stop digging up people past, yeah. Digging up people past and talking, bringing people past into social media, and you know what I mean? Because some people like to run with it, and then them had and then take away and then multiply and all and something there. So we, it's not nice. It's not nice, but me ask God for kumbaya, but look like saying want to come by. God not even want to go over the tube with what I see I go on over there. No, I go over there. Because some people over there cause some real havoc and problems on the tube. What or something I go on. Anyway, environment. Now talk for long as you don't know, yeah. So yeah, so I just thought me they see, I just want to put 2 cents in it for say people need to leave people's children out of them. Casa, yeah. A 4-year-old is an innocent party, regardless whether the family or whoever have a pass, yeah. I don't see why, people should be taking up that kind of an argument. I don't like it. Anyway, as we said, Fireman don't talk and she gone.